Hey guys, this is Abhishek and you're watching Gizmo Ground. Hey guys, this is Abhishek and today we're going to be unboxing the Logitech G304 wireless light-speed gaming mouse. So let's dive right in. I got this from Amazon. It was a really quick delivery. I ordered it last night and it's 10 a.m. in the morning and I've got it. So looking inside, here's what we get. Here's the mouse itself. Here we go, here's the mouse itself. And apart from that, what we have is some manuals. Yeah, let's keep that aside. There's also supposed to be a Duracell battery inside. Yeah, as you can see, there it is. So here's a battery and here's an extender cable.
Two hours later.
As you can see, here's the cable. So let's pop this battery in. And here's the Bluetooth receiver. As you pop this battery in, the DPI LED lights up, and yeah, that's about it. I'll be coming up with a full review, and till then, thanks for watching.